Your 4 quads or 4 sections will look like this. You're splitting the head directly in half and then taking it right behind the ear and splitting it in half again. Start by brushing the hair back, and you're gonna use the nose as a reference point. And we're gonna go up and go straight back. That makes sure we're in the middle of the head. So now you've got it split in half. To make sure your next section is even, you wanna take your comb and balance it on top of the head. You can take it any way. Where the comb balances, this is the highest point of your head. That's called the apex. You want to take your finger and put it where you want it to land. And I'm going to take the comb, meet it to the finger. That gives you a clean line every time. If the hair is super long, you can take a little piece, wrap it around, pull this tail up, clip always away from their face. Same thing in the back. Finger goes where I want it to land in the middle of the neck. Following this straight line, you're just cutting the head in half. And when you're taking your comb, you don't want to go like this, where you're hugging the head. You also don't want to go straight at it. You take the comb at a slight 45 and graze down. So following this line, and that's going to give you the 4 sections or 4 quads. So on a diagram, it looks like this. If this is eyes, or these are eyes, it's going straight down, cutting the head in half, finding the apex, the highest point. It's usually right behind the ear. That's how you're going to cut it in half again. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the back of the head, it's just straight down. For the side, it's right behind the ear. And for the front, it's aligning with the nose or the middle of the face. Same here.